Hey everybody, Julia here. I'm coming to you live from Phuket. I'm just going to show you where I am sitting currently. If you look this way, there is the beautiful ocean, and I'm currently sitting in front of my room while everybody is finishing lunch up downstairs. I'm just going to share this video real quickly to a few different people so that we can get this started. I'm going to go into a lunch drive. I hope you're all well. Let me know if you're online, where you are from, what time it is where you are now. And while I'm sharing all of this, almost done. You can ask me anything you like. I think that's all I need to share. And yep, that's all. Awesome. So today I would like to share. Hi, David. Hey Hannah, how are you? What time is it now in Brisbane? I don't even know. I don't have a clock. So let's get started, because I actually want to edit this video out as well and put it onto all the different social media channels. This is actually called marketing, which is going to be one of the areas I want to talk about. So I want to talk about the 4 main areas of business and how you can be successful if you have all of those 4 areas. And they are in no particular order. So the first one is sales. Sales is something that I personally don't like, and I like to outsource it. But sales you have to be good at, and sales is not something that you can just learn by reading 1 or 2 books. Sales is something that you need to experience firsthand. Sales is something that you can role play. You can go to coaching retreats like the one I have. We're about to role play today, and that way you can really up your marketing skills. But at the end of the day, people don't want to be sold to, but they still like to buy things. So this is probably my biggest tip to give you, is to really hone in on the problem of your client and provide them with a product or services that can actually help that problem. Number 2, hi Gordy. Hi Dina, how are you? Number 2 is marketing. Marketing is exactly what I'm doing right now. Marketing is, if you have your product or service, you need to bring it out to the world, right? So you can find out where your ideal client hangs out, which might be Facebook, like right now. Hi Daryl, how are you? It might be Facebook, where we are right now. It might be Instagram, it might be Pinterest, or in case of lots of business coaches that hang out on LinkedIn. So wherever your ideal audience hangs out, this is where you need to market, yeah? Marketing will really help you with your reach of the product. Make sure that you know your sales and you learn how you do your copywriting if you want to reach those people, because if you're not talking in their language, then they're not going to be interested in buying your products or services. So we have covered marketing and sales. What do you think is number 3? Number 3 of having a successful and sustainable business and actually growing it is relationships. It's also called relational capital, right? So 70% of the time we should actually always take the time to build relationships, 70% of the time in your business, yeah? The other time, you work on your team, you work on your sales, you do your marketing and so on, but 70% of the time, we should always try and build new relationships, find joint ventures, because really it is all about finding that one person that can, it only takes one person to completely change your career and your business by having a joint venture, for example, yeah? So we have covered sales, marketing and relationships. What do you think is number 4? I actually talked about that in yesterday's video. In yesterday's video, I talked about branding. Yeah, branding is huge. Branding is actually something that gets your customers to come into your business first of all. Yeah, they see you, your logo, your coloring, and your fonts, and it's not just about that. Obviously, there is your personal branding as well. So the company branding, your personal branding. And this is what really veers in the customers first of all. And then if your marketing is good, they see your branding, they come in. Then you need to be really, really good at sales, which is the 3rd step. So there is actually a bit of a process behind it. You need to be good at sales to actually then sell your products or services to them. And then number 4 is to build those relationships further and further and further and make new relationships, yeah? And these are the 4 main areas. If you want to know more about the branding part, I did a video on that yesterday, which explains the 3 different parts of branding. I hope this helped. Yes? Good marketing. Let me just quickly. Hi, Hazel. Sorry, I never do this on my iPad. I'm just going to see Daryl. Good marketing can sell a non-existing product. Matt, marketing communicate. That is exactly right. And Daryl is a genius when it comes to marketing and sales, obviously. Hey, Fiona. Awesome. Well, I think I have to go back to my people now because we are here still in, I'll show you, Phuket. It's a horrible view. Horrible, horrible view. To the ocean, and I'm sitting here in front of my room while everybody downstairs is finishing up their lunch. I actually pre-recorded this video and then I wasn't happy with it, so I thought I'd just jump on live, and that is my marketing for today in building my relationships. I will talk to you all tomorrow. Bye.